Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video in Photoshop, we are going to see how we can whiten the teeth. So for example, in this image, as we can see, the teeth are slightly yellowish. So if you want to remove this yellowish shade or tint, we can use a simple method to whiten the teeth. So first of all, we have to make a selection. We can make a selection using whatever tool you feel comfortable with. So in this case I am going to use the lasso tool, and remember, the selection doesn't have to be perfect or precise. You can make a rough selection like this. So already made a rough selection. Now what I'm going to do is, using the layers panel in the adjustment layers, I'm going to create a hue saturation layer, adjustment layer that is. So because I had selected this area, so only this area will get affected. So from this panel, from this drop down panel or drop down menu, we can simply select yellows because we only want to change the yellow color in this particular area. So I have already selected yellows and increase the lightness like this. So we can already see the difference if I turn this off. So this is before. I'll zoom it a little bit so you'll see it clearly. So look at this area. So this is before and this is after. So it is already looking pretty good, and we have already whitened the teeth. But let's say if you want to add some shine to the teeth, but not so much, but just a little bit, so we can use levels adjustment panel. From the adjustment menu, we can simply go to levels, and remember, we only want to affect this area that we had selected earlier. So what we can do is, we can select this mask and press and hold Alt key, or if you are using Mac, press and hold Option key, and drag this particular area onto this area and simply press yes. So only this area will get affected. Now I will increase the levels. You already know, if I use this bright area or the white point, if I drag this white point to the left, the area will increase the lightness or brightness like this. Now don't worry about this extra area which is looking weird. So let's say if I want this much brightness, so we can simply stop, and simply click on this layer mask, and using the brush, because we have created a layer mask. So as you may know, if you use the brush tool on the layer mask, if you apply black color, it will hide the area, and if you apply white color, it will unhide the area. So black conceals and white reveals. Remember that thing regarding the layer mask. So I have selected the black color, so we can simply hide this area that we don't want like this. So as you can see, it is already looking pretty good. So we have removed the white yellow shade, rather we have removed the yellow shade, and we have also added some shine to it, shine to the teeth. So you can check it. This is without shine, so this is before yellow teeth and with shine. So if you feel like we have added too much shine, so we can simply decrease the opacity as per our liking. So we can get the desired result like this. So as simple as that, we have achieved the required result, which is we have whitened the teeth from the yellow shade. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, give this video a vote and do subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.